Hello, Zoom and Groom employees. My name is Kevin, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to navigate the Zoom and Groom training website. So we're starting here on the home page, and this is just a general overview of what you're going to be learning during the training. The navigation page is where this video is found, and we're going to start over here with the orientation. So we click on that, and then the orientation, you're going to start by clicking the present button, and in the orientation it will tell you all about Zoom and Groom. You'll learn about the history, you will learn about the different careers that is offered and the wages and everything along those lines. So when you're done with the orientation, we'll now go over to the tutorial and assessment. So the tutorial and assessment, you're going to be learning about different types of skills that are going to be for dog walkers. You're going to learn all of these categories listed below, such as handling dogs of all sizes, handling more than one dog at a time, completing the dog walking log, and at the end you're going to take an assessment to see what you've learned. And then we're going to move over to the dog walking guide. During the dog walking guide, this is a video that gives you a background on some of the qualities that a good dog walker has and some skills that can be of great use to you while you are out walking dogs. And this dog using dog treats video is going to be helpful for when you are out and you need treats to reward the dog for good behavior. And then at the end, we ask that you complete a discussion post. So here listed is the question, and we ask that you just leave your comment on the box below. And when you are navigating the page, you can always go back to any of these topics on the menu bar. All you have to do is go and click. So if I want to go back to the home page, I will do so. And that is all I have for you today. Good luck working at Zoom and Groom. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comment box listed in the discussion. Thank you.